Hi and welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix a broken bracelet. As you can see, this stretchy bracelet looks like this. So we have to replace the elastic string. For the replacement I will use this stretchy elastic string and a pair of scissors. I will also need a big eye beading needle for our beads. Now, first of all, we should measure the length of our bracelet. So if we take the measuring tape, we shall see that we have about 3.5 inches on one side, so it is about 7 inches long. So the entire bracelet with the beads should be no more than 7 inches long. That would be about 18 centimeters long. That means that we need some elastic cord which is a bit longer than that. So I have cut some elastic cord that is about, let's see, 11.5 inches long. So that would be about 29 or 30 centimeters long. And now I will take the needle and put the stretchy cord, the elastic cord, through our needle. So you should be careful, because this part of the needle can sometimes be sharp and it can damage the elastic cord. And now let's remove the old elastic cord. So I'll cut the elastic string and I will remove the beads. This way. So as you can see, the elastic cord is no longer elastic, it's broken, so we have to remove it. So I'll put the old cord away, and now we have all these beads. I will take the needle with the elastic cord, with the new elastic cord, and I'll start putting the beads on our elastic cord. So I'll put all the beads on the elastic cord. We have only a few more beads. And now I remove the elastic cord, the elastic string from our needle. I'll put the needle away, and as you can see, I have these two ends of the elastic cord that come out of the beads. Whenever you string the beads, you should make sure that the beads are not too tight together, staying together, and they are not too loose either. So I will make first of all a simple knot like this way, and then I will make another simple knot. This way. So I made two simple knots. And now I will make another knot that will be using both ends of my elastic cord at the same time. So let's first of all tighten the first two knots, and now I will take both cords like this. I will put my finger this way, and I will turn those two cords around my finger, and as you can see, I have created a loop here, and now I will put the cords through the loop that I have created with my finger, like this. So I have this loop, and I will take the two cords through this loop this way. So as you can see, I have created a loop like this, and I will tighten this knot next to the other two knots. This way. And now I will take each of these two separate strings and pull on them so that the knot does not open. So I took one of the strings and pulled on it. Now let's take the second elastic string, and I'll pull on this elastic string as well, this way. And now we can cut the two cords with the scissors. And as you can see, our bracelet is finished. So this is how you fix a broken elastic bracelet. I hope you liked the video, and I hope that now you know how to replace the elastic string of a stretchy bracelet.